Everyone says that print on demand is the ultimate side hustle. No upfront costs, no inventory. Just upload some designs and money rolls in while you're sleeping. But is this a real business or just another trap waiting to swallow beginners? Let's check it out. Hi guys, welcome to Finance Panda. Here we dissect the hottest business idea you can find online, so that you're not going to waste your time and money and tears on something that doesn't work. Plus, I'm going to share 200 of my own business ideas here. Subscribe now so that you're not going to miss out. Platforms like Merch by Amazon and Etsy sell a dream. You just need to upload the design, sit back, and passive income would just float in. No capital, no logistics, no headaches. Sounds like the perfect beginners-friendly business, right? Well, here's the math that nobody tells you. You sell one t-shirt for $20, but after the printing cost and payments to the platform like Etsy, you are lucky if you get $2 to $4 each. To make $1,000 of profit per month, you need to sell at least 250 to 500 pieces every single month. And in the market, there are thousands and thousands of designs being uploaded every single day. Without marketing, your design will be just disappearing among the crowd. By the way, if you guys want to continue to hear more analysis of this kind of so-called side hustles, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Actually, you're not selling t-shirts, you are selling attention. You need a lot of skills in social media marketing, in keyword research, and even in paid advertising. And here's the kicker. In reality, you have no control over the pricing or promotions. In fact, the platforms control whether your product is being shown or not. So who actually wins? The platforms win. They get endless design for free. The printers win. They get orders no matter from who. The gurus also win. They sell you courses and automation software. And most beginners, they're losing time and energy chasing after pennies. When can it work? In certain situations, print on demand makes sense. First of all, if you already have an audience, like an Instagrammer or YouTuber, or you have a very niche community, you can sell merchandise to your fans. The second case is that you treat it as a side product, not your main business. The third case, you're just literally testing different products, see which one sells before you commit to a real inventory. So does print on demand really work? Yes, but only for the platforms, for the printers, and the gurus. For beginners, I'm afraid the dream of passive income is not there. It's more like a passive trap. If you want better business models, those with higher profit margins and less competitions, stay tuned. In the next videos, I will share some ideas that will actually survive. Hit the subscribe button now so that you're not going to miss out. See you next time.